All right. Good morning, everyone. How's it going? I hope you all are doing really well. I wanted to make this quick video, guys. I want to show you exactly how much money I make from driving for Lyft. It's really incredible. I'm super excited. A lot of people are pretty hesitant about driving for Uber or Lyft, but I just do it on my free time. You know, I don't do it every single day or anything. I don't think I could. I think it would be impossible for me just because I don't even really like driving that much, and especially other people in my car. But doing it here and there, it's totally not that bad. You can make a lot of money. If you want to do it every day, by all means, if you want to generate a bunch of income, Lyft is a really easy way. There's a lot of people out there, guys, driving for Uber and Lyft who are making over $100,000 a year. And that's not even like that much for being a Lyft or Uber driver. I mean, yeah, it is a hard job. It's, you know, a lot of just sitting down and driving. But sitting down and driving, guys, people are trusting you with their lives. I mean, it's not an easy job by any means at all. So I'm just gonna open up. This is my Lyft driver app. I haven't driven for about a week or two, just because I haven't needed the extra money. But here, I'm gonna go straight into my dashboard, guys, and let me know if you guys if this is good image for you, if you like the, me sharing my screen with you. Guys, so today, this week I haven't done anything, but usually it would say how much you've done right there. My statistics, I've given 257 rides, and I've maintained a 5.0 rating, so I've never gotten below a five-star rating, which is really good for tips. If you can keep that up, that's really good. Guys, here are the bonuses. This is really where it's going to come down to. If you can get a good bonus, if you can, if you can hit these bonus tiers right here, it's going to help you with your per hour income. And also, guys, oh, that's my alarm. Guys, if you can sign up using my, here, you can earn $350. That's me. That's for me. But you will, if you use, guys, if you use my sign up code below, you're gonna get an extra $350 as a sign on bonus, or even more depending on where you live. So make sure to click that link. It's the first link in the description if you want to be a new Lyft driver, and you can get a huge bonus. So guys, sometimes you can check. This is only $3 to $6. But sometimes they have scheduled pickups, which is nice. Let's see. Here, I'm just going to go to my dashboard, and I'm going to go to my driving history. A lot of guys don't want to show you all this stuff because it's a little personal, but guys, I mostly just ride for Lyft just so I can have content to show for you guys. So I gave 19 rides. Let's see. That was, okay. Let's see. So this one, I'm going to go to the time I gave 60 rides. So this was February 19th to the 25th. So I drove for 6 days, or 7 days. And I drove 30 hours a week, which was a lot that week. I just wanted to make a lot of money. And I got $658. So I'm going to do some quick math. 658 divided by 30. 658 divided by 30. Guys, that's about $22 per hour. Not bad. And I'm just going to show you too. So there was $656 of ride payments. I got $34 in tips, plus cash tips. I get a lot of cash tips. I don't know why, but a lot of people give me cash tips with a little winky face. Just kidding. And then bonuses, $14.95. They have these little things where you get a bonus. Tolls, that's going through toll roads. And then I got paid 3 times that week just because I was paying off different payments. I think I had a payment on my car or something, so I got that out, and then I don't know. But yeah, and then I got the $105 bonus for driving 60 rides. And yeah, so that's how much I earned, and this is per day. So one day, guys, I drove 25 rides. That's kind of a lot for me, considering I'm part-time. But yeah, I drove like See, one of these rides, I go $17.47 plus a $5 tip. That was pretty good. Some of these rides, 200. I don't really care, guys, if, see, look at this one, $2.89. A lot of people would say, oh gosh, I hate short rides. But for me, I'm trying to hit that bonus. So look, that ride only took 9 minutes. This one right here only took 3 minutes. I personally really like the short rides because it helps me get that bonus. And I'm gonna get the longer ones anyway. You know, that $9 one. This one was really good. It took me 9 minutes. Guys, literally took me 9 minutes. I made $9.36. Go back up to this one here. It took me 38 minutes, and I was pretty much just sitting in traffic, and the guy was super nice. And so it's 38 minutes, and I made $22. So I made, sometimes you're gonna make more or less, and a lot of this time, guys, is just sitting around and waiting. So it's not like I was actually working the entire 30 hours. This is another week. I made 558, but I only worked 26. So let's do the math on that one. 558 divided by 26. Again, $21.46. Again, I'm pretty much just sitting around and waiting a lot. So let's see, this one, 18 rides. It's not, you want to do a lot more. See, this one I averaged about $17 an hour. Let's see, 28 rides. How much did I get that time? This time I didn't hit the bonus, and I still made just about $20 an hour. I didn't get any bonuses that week. I mean, I got the 4, but I didn't get the power driver bonus, which is what you guys really want to aim for. If you can get the power driver bonus, guys, you're going to up your income a lot. Like, if you can consistently hit the 195 or the 315, guys, and this is on top of the sign-on bonus. So if you can do both the sign-on bonus and the other one, that's great. I'm just going to show you guys what happens when you click on that link. So when you click on that link to become a new driver, all you're going to do is it's going to show up with this. This is my code, and it helps. If you're in Orange County, it's 350. If you're in LA, I think it's a little bit more or a little bit less. If it's in a town where there's not a lot, it's going to be a lot more. There's some towns where it's like up to $1,000. So go ahead and click that link, and then type in your phone number, and it's going to automatically text you an application. Guys, if you have any applications at all, or any questions on your application at all, feel free to shoot me a text, or shoot me a message on the, or post on the Facebook group, the Moneymakers Facebook group, which is also in the link below. Guys, Lyft is super easy. If you just need some extra cash quick, I definitely recommend working for Lyft. Guys, I just made this in one day, driving for Lyft. I just wanted to pull it out just so I can show you what I made in one day. It was like a couple $100. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. If you want to go ahead and leave a comment below what you guys think, there's a bunch of referrals down below if you want to make some extra cash. You get a free stock if you click on the Robinhood link. If you download Robinhood, you get a free stock. It might be Google, which is like $1,100 right now, or Apple. Yeah, go ahead and do that, and thank you guys for watching. This has been another episode of Make Money Fast.